Another question I get asked a lot is how do you make money online without a website? I don't want to become a geek building websites like you, Bill. Can you make money online without a website? The answer is a very astounding yes. Let me describe to you a few situations where you can actually do that. Now, there's no way that you can just not do anything and expect to make some money online. It's not going to happen. You have to do something. That's the number one thing you always have to remember is taking action is the primary way to make money online. Whether you have a product or not, or whether you have a website or not, you don't need an e-commerce store. You don't need none of that stuff. Affiliate marketing with ClickBank in particular, but other sources too, really make it simple, easy for you to actually be able to generate some substantial income online, even without a website to promote anything with. And of course, I'm going to tell you to get an email list and promote via email. Well, what about if you don't want to have an email list? Is there a way to promote products online without an email list? Yes, there is. And then you're going to say, oh, well, what you're going to do? You're going to go to Facebook and post links for affiliate products. That really doesn't work very well. You can try. I mean, there are groups out there, and if you can do some graphic work and upload some fancy pictures, and maybe you'll get a click here and there, and gosh, every once in a while you might even get a commission, a sale. It really, so what? I mean, you're not going to make any sort of income there that's consistent for sure, and definitely nothing that's going to be life-changing in terms of your style of living. And you might make a couple $100 a month, and maybe that's all you want. So go beat your head over your head. You'll be working at about $1 an hour, if that even works. There are a couple methods that really work well. One of them is arbitrage, which I have a whole video about arbitrage. It's where you're buying a service from one person and selling it to another. We offer a service to do that. And it's in the biggest industry online is sending traffic from point A to point B. And that's what our service does. It's email traffic for BizOp industry. You buy it for 30 cents a click, sell it for 45, 50 cents a click. You make the profit margin. You don't need a website to do it. You'll have to join some groups online on Facebook. You used to use Skype chat, you use Messenger, and you can get on there and sell traffic very easily. We actually have a training course on how to do that, and there'll be a link in the comments below. And it's actually one of the best ways that anyone who doesn't want a website, who doesn't want to build a web list, an email list, but still wants to make money online, if they understand the concept of how it works, and if they can, swing a few $100s in cash flow that they can make back very quickly, plus profits, you can start to build a business very easily that way. Another way of doing that is if you at least have a computer and a camera connected to the computer, like I do, you can do YouTube videos and add affiliate links into those YouTube videos. And we have a product called YouTubeCB.com, which is not launched, but is going to launch very soon. That will teach you everything you need to know about how to do it, because YouTube is easy. You don't need to have a website. You just create a video like I'm doing right now. You don't even need to create videos of yourself. Now, there are some thoughts that you can just upload a bunch of bot-generated, laughing monkeys and make money online. These videos, I think they need to be real, because one of the benefits of why I do this face-to-face thing with people is because I develop a relationship with my audience, and I ask you to subscribe. And when it's all said and done, I have an ongoing relationship with you, okay? And people go to look at some of the products I recommend. They understand he's really done this and made money. He's really looked at this product and recommends it. It's not like, oh, buy this because I'm trying to make money off of you. Never. When I recommended ClickBank University, I own it, I use it, I learned from it. The John Crestani stuff, I've owned it, I use it, I learned from it. Bulletproof Email Solution, I created it, I use it every day. YouTube CB, I'm doing it right now. So I make recommendations on what I know really works. So by being straightforward and truthful and honest and not selling you a bunch of hype, like you're going to make enough money to drive around and fly around in a Learjet. No, you're not. You're going to make enough money to make your car payment, maybe make your house payment, if you can follow through on simple instructions and you stick to it. But you don't need a website, and you don't need to invest in any fancy gimmicks. You don't need some business opportunity online where you buy their prepackaged system and you go buy a bunch of traffic. You're wasting tons of money on that junk. And most of them are just pyramid schemes, and you buy it because you fantasize that you're going to be making $10 million. Hey, get over it. It isn't going to happen. It's just a scam for the guy who created the product to make a lot of money. There are great information products available at ClickBank and JVZoo and software programs you can sell to an audience that wants to follow you if you're sincere enough to actually be able to promote it via the YouTube videos. And I encourage you to check out the YouTube CB course that we have. It's not available for sale yet. Give it until August 15th, 2019. Anyway, you don't need a website. You just need to be tenacious, curious, and you don't need a business opportunity. You just need to be able to grab links from ClickBank or JVZoo, cloak them, which we'll teach you how to do, and then promote them. Short of that, there's no reason why you can't go down and take a look at our free training on how to buy and sell traffic, because that is the number one thing that sells online by far, beyond everyone. When somebody buys advertising at Google, Google makes billions and billions of dollars. They're selling traffic. So you can get into traffic business without owning a website, without having to build a list, without having an autoresponder, without any of this stuff. You just go sell what we produce for you. You guys have a great day. Thank you.